Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. This my Muhammad Rafi Alfiansyah. This how to connecting a router to the internet via router NAT. Okay. This lab I will explain how to make a MikroTik router to connect internet. Okay, to be able to connect to the internet, we have to use a public IP because this IP, IP client or is private IP. Then we need to translate private to IP public. This IP private to public IP to connect to the internet. To translate the IP, we must use the NAT or network address translation feature. Okay, in this lab, I will give an example of making NAT or network address translation so that our PCN can connect to the internet. Okay, in this lab, I will give a example of how our router can connect to an access point. Okay, let's go to the lab. First, we have to create an IP address so that the client PC can connect to the router. We can click to the IP and click to the address we can add. Okay, this address to the example is 192.168.10.2.1/24. This is this interface in Ether2 to the connect this MikroTik. We can apply. Okay, the IP that we create earlier will function as a gateway client. Then we have to configure the IP address on the client PC so that the client PC can connect to the router. We can see to the open network and internet setting. We can select this change adapter option, and after we can select to the internet, click right and properties. This is we can see to the IP version 4 atau or TCP IP v4. You can click use the following IP address. You can add the IP to the example 192.168.2 and 10 and 2. You can tap and 192.168 10 and 1. This default gateway this router. Okay, we can add to IP Google 8888 and 8844. You can okay. This is yes. Okay, we can close. The next step is we have to test router the client and router and connected to each other or not. The way we ping from the client to the router and the router ping to the client. We can select with new terminal. Okay, this next we can add this add ping with the PC client. We can add with ping 192.168 and 10.2. Okay, we can search to the firewall. This Windows Defender firewall, and turn Windows Defender firewall. Okay, to click on turn off Windows, you can okay, it's okay. You can check. Okay, disconnect with MikroTik to PC client. Okay, uh, after success, we can continue to the next step. The next step is we create a security profile. Before we create a security profile, we must know why we have to create a security profile. The function in the security profile here function so that our router can enter the access point to the example with TKG1 as a client because an access point this TKG1 is protected by a password. Okay, we must enter the wireless menu. First, we can uh, add to or select with wireless and click here this on. Okay, first we turn on the VLAN interface, then we have to create security profile. This security profile is add according to access point password. This name this anything and mode this dynamic case. We can select to all, and we add to password this Wi-Fi to the example. Okay, we can apply and okay. This next, after we create a security profile, we have to set our wireless station mode. We can click double click with VLAN 1 and station, and we can scan to VLAN 1 and start. Okay, we can select with Wi-Fi. We can connect and we can run the router. The next we can complete to SSID and this Wi-Fi and security profile, select to the profile one. You can apply. Okay, this next we can see to the run. This run is to success with connect to the Wi-Fi. This next we can to add this IP and DHCP client. The next we can this interface VLAN 1 and apply. Okay, you can see the status bound. Okay, the next we can click IP this firewall and select to the NAT or network address translation. This next we add this general Okay. This out interface in VLAN 1. This change in source net and out interface VLAN 1. Next, with the action this must queried. You can apply. Okay. Okay, we can see to the bits this run. Then apply OK. If this step incomplete, the router and all clients connected to the router can get internet access. For testing, we test ping to google.com or this IP Google. We can select with new terminal. We can open. This admin password 123. Okay, this before we can select to new terminal and we can add IP this Google. For the example, ping for 8.8.8.8. Okay, we can see this run in the internet. Okay, maybe this video for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.